Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and introducing your host, Lord One.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. New York session live for everybody. So let's get started. I already did the markup here on US 30. We traded on the 1 minute. We trade after the NYSE open. We're waiting for a breakout, either above or below. I'm thinking we're going to come below here, move down to the next zone, but we shall see. We got about 5 minutes before NYSE open. I did want to go back and show you guys whoever was on for London last night. So we had this trade here that we got into, a little bit of drawdown, came down. I ended up taking partials here and adjusting my stop loss to break even when it was like 2 pips away from TP1. If I wouldn't have done that though, it wouldn't have broke even here, and it would have came and it would have hit TP1 here around 445, and it hit TP2 and basically hit TP3. I noticed this on my personal account this morning. I had my TP set at TP2, and I had put it at break even. I had got in over here on my personal though, so my break even was up here. And I mean, I went to sleep, and so this morning I woke up and it had hit TP. But beautiful trade. Excuse me. Wish we could have held on to this during London and been able to take advantage of that dip down. But safe to say that maybe we flipped to bearish now on GJ. So intro had some dust on it. Yeah, I saw it was like glitching out a little bit. I don't know what that's all about, but let me know if there's any more issues. What up, Sonny? It's been a minute. Yeah, so okay, let's look at gold. Yeah, you see, look at this is what I was looking for. Remember I told you guys the dip down, then the pull up here. I was looking for an entry here. You would have entered right here. And this would have been just beautiful. Who took this trade? Jesus, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Been 100 pips right there. 7.6 risk reward. Just a minute on here, catch some. Yeah, I've seen you on some of the Zooms. But you see what I was talking about here? You know, we have the liquidity zones above here and below here. It comes down here, takes this liquidity, stops everyone out, right? Everyone that had been in buys. Then it pops back up, takes this liquidity, and then it makes its move. Like, if you think about it, it's kind of like this is the fuel it needs, right? Push down here. And a lot of people like to call this, oh, it's a fake out. It's really not. It's just taking the liquidity it needs to make its move. So it's the market creates the liquidity by pushing down, taking everybody's stops out, boom, pushing up, taking everybody's stops out, and then coming. That's why a lot of times, like, people when they trade, they're like, "Oh man, it barely hit my stop, where I put my stop, and then it went my direction, right?" And that's because you're putting your stops right at a liquidity area where it needs to go. Price needs to get there in order for it to actually make its move. But congrats to whoever took this. If you took this, it'd have made a nice little. But you see, this didn't happen till, what was it? Yeah, almost 4 a.m. Like I wouldn't have been taking this. This is take way too long. Anyways, it's NYSE open. We should see some volatility here now. So for US 30, we're looking for a break here on the trend line. Depending on if it breaks above or below, our stops will be at the previous swing high or low plus 10 points. That makes sense. She's pumping down, pumping down. Yeah, and I'm coming from down here. Taking this bottom trend and then this top trend. Kind of screwed us with this huge dip down, but this is US 30, the Dow Jones. It's an indice. US indices may be plunged. Well, that'll be good if we can get a break here before. And we'll ride that sucker down. Got to be a little patient here, a little patient. She looks like she's getting close. All right, she's breaking. We got about 40 seconds. Get ready to enter here. We got about 20 seconds. Stops are 10 points above this high right there. We got about 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. It's looking like a sell. 10 seconds looking like a sell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, taking a sell. I'm in. I'm in. We are in right here. TP1 is right there. Stops are 10 points above this. And our target's going to be down here. Now we just be patient. Man, what happened to my playlist? At TP1, we'll set take partials and adjust our stops to break even. This ain't even. Oh. How you control your emotions, man. The way I look at it, bro, is I'm just doing my job. You know, I'm not. I don't even pay attention to the profit or loss. Like, I'm looking at this, I'm just looking at this chart, looking to see what's happening, and I react based on that. TP1 incoming. TP1 incoming. You guys know what to do at TP1. Come on, baby. Just melt. Melt. Give me what you got. Almost there. We're up 30 points. We're 300 pips. Come on, baby. 40 points. VIP's closed right now, guys. That's why I'm doing the YouTube stream. VIP is closed right now. If you're not in it, it won't be open till I get it all switched to the new platform. 46 points. Come on, baby. Almost there. 47. Come on, baby. TP 149. Ooh, come on, baby. There we go. TP1 hit. That's what we like to see. Here comes the horns. Beautiful. 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 So I'm going to go ahead and close half. Watch the screen. Watch the screen. Taking half right now. Boom. Moving stops to break even. Stops to break even. And we let the runner do its thing. How about that? WW. Ooh, and she's melting, baby. The runner is going to pay more than the partials. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Quick and easy. It took us how long? How long? You see, this is why I like New York's session better. Look at this. We jumped into the trade right here, and it took 11 minutes. It took 11 minutes to get paid, baby. I love it. It's funny. There's a support level on 30-minute. Yeah, I didn't even look at the 30-minute. Oh, you're talking about down here? I think we'll be alright. I mean, I already took partials and adjusted stops to break even, so I'm going to let it do its thing. Guys, I just posted on my Instagram. If that post gets to 100 likes, I'll do New York session tomorrow on YouTube. I'll share the link, actually. Alright, I sent the... I mean, she's looking lovely, guys. Absolutely lovely. A weekly about to flip. I'm not even looking at the weekly, man. I'm on a 1 minute right now. Like, I've already made my money. I'm break even on this. Like, I mean, I could gladly just close out right here and be okay with that. No, I haven't switched brokers yet. I don't trade gold during New York session. But I mean, it looks like it's kind of ranging right now. They're already dipped down. I still think it has some more to go to the downside. Yeah, just a little bit more. It broke this, it met this wick here and went a little lower, but kind of wanted to dip a little bit further down before looking for buys. Yeah, I wouldn't adjust your risk based on it hitting break even. When it hits the 50 points, you should take partials and adjust stops to break even. Your mindset behind that should always be okay with the partials and knowing that 40 to 60% of the time it's going to come back and hit break even. But that's not what you're after, right? You're just trying to protect your account capital, and that's your consolation prize is the partials, right? But when you catch a move that it is the move and it's going to move, US 30, it will either melt or fly. And so when you do catch those 40 to 60% of the time that it is your way, it won't come back to the break even, and your partials that is or your runner that's remaining is going to pay you way more than what your partials would have paid you. So more than what your partials did pay you, right? So your goal should always be to hit TP1 and break even, because that way you're risk free and you're in a trade, right? It's like a free gameplay, right? You get a free chance to play. The partials is just, for spending your time on that. And then the runners is where the money is made. So I wouldn't up my risk just because you've hit break even too many times. I would continue to be consistent with that and just wait for that opportunity that you are on the right side, that you got in on the right entry, and that it's going your direction and it's not going to come back to break even. And those are the trades that really pay you out. And that doesn't happen every single trade, right? Because this could have easily hit, TP1 and then reversed and broke even on us. I mean, it seems to be coming down to the downside, and that's great. But this could still come back and break even on us. I think once we break this low here at about 100 points, then I'll probably take some more partials. I took half on mine. Yo, what up, CJ? Did you miss the trade, bro? Did you miss that? Because she was lovely. That's my signature move, bro. Always miss it. Damn, son. Oh, yeah, wild. Imagine if I traded the challenge on New York session. Man. We'd probably be finished with the challenge. Feel like we're starting to range right here. Yeah, go check out my last post on Instagram. If we get 100 likes on that post, then I'll stream tomorrow on YouTube as well. All right, so we're down here at the bottom right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take more partials on my trade. Watch the screen. I'm going to go ahead and take half of the current running position. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful. She's looking lovely. She's melting, melting. Love to see it. Love to see it. Ooh. And about 10 points, I'm going to take more partials. Beautiful trade to start the week for New York session. Ooh, she's looking lovely. It's funny. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take the remaining runner, because like where we're at right here, I think we're gonna have like a slight pullback, and I'm not gonna. Yeah, watch. Look at the low over here. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a little retrace pullback coming soon, and I'm not gonna be holding for it to pull back and then to continue. I think it's gonna, like, this zone is kind of where it's moving towards. You guys can do whatever you want, but I don't want to have to be thinking about my trade running while I'm going throughout my day. So if you pay attention to the screen, ladies and gentlemen, you will see my remaining partials there running, and we'll close. Beautiful, beautiful start to the week. Like I said, guys, if you guys get my last IG post, the reel to 100 likes, I will come back tomorrow. If not, I will just trade with VIP. Otherwise, I will see you guys for London session to continue the Blue Guardian Challenge. And, yeah, we'll keep it moving. Much love, guys. Much love. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.